It was time to cut the cake and celebrate. For John Deere, it's been a 20-year journey till now in India. On the occasion of this completion of 20 years, the top management of John Deere in India, led by the company's managing director Satish Nadikar and several others, invited leading journalists from India to their manufacturing plant in Pune, in the state of Maharashtra. Motown India magazine too was invited to this mega event. John Deere is part of the US $37 billion Deere & Company based in the United States. The Deere Group is more than 180 years old and is into products for agriculture, lawn and garden, construction, forestry, engines and drivelines, etc. The company also launched a new small tractor, the 3028EN. The new four-wheel drive 3028EN tractor offers advanced technology and features suited for orchard and paddy farming. The introduction of the new tractor is the latest example of Deere providing Indian farmers with technologically advanced products that offer a wide range of farm solutions, including tractors, harvesters, and implements. You can see a separate video on the new tractor on the Motown India channel. Apart from this Pune facility, the company has another tractor manufacturing plant in Dewas in Madhya Pradesh, besides a harvester manufacturing plant in Tharyan in Punjab. It also has an electronic systems manufacturing plant and an engineering and technology center in Pune, besides parts distribution center in Nagpur in Maharashtra. It also has a captive finance company to provide financing solutions to John Deere customers. Clocking a lot more than the average industry growth, John Deere has been recording a growth of 34% annually. It has a total production capacity of 132,000 tractor units at its two tractor manufacturing plants in the country, with Pune having a capacity of 72,000 units per annum and Dewas having a capacity of 60,000 units per annum. The company is the largest exporter of agricultural products out of India, exporting to 110 countries that include North America, South America, Brazil, Australia, Europe and Asia, among others. Though John Deere is only fifth in terms of market share in domestic sales in India, it is rapidly moving towards double-digit market share and is just a shade behind players like Escorts and International Tractors Limited. The biggest players in the Indian tractor industry are Mahindra and Mahindra, followed by Chennai-based Tafe. More than 80% of the tractors sold in India are in the range of 31 to 50 horsepower. The John Deere Technology Center in Pune provides services and solutions, adding value in areas of product engineering, manufacturing, quality, supply chain, IT solutions, and customer support services to various John Deere businesses globally. John Deere's Engineering Center in Pune has responsibility worldwide for Deere's design and innovation in utility tractors. Nadikar said product features such as perma-clutch, front PTO, power reverser, telematics and air-conditioned cabin have been welcome features for customers. Adding green system farm implements and John Deere combine harvesters have created holistic farming solutions, he added. With the group acquiring the Virgin Group of Company in Germany in 2017, the overall revenues of the John Deere India is definitely going to take a leap. The Virgin Group is the world's largest road construction company. This new acquisition will only be adding to the company revenues in the coming years. The Virgin Group products are sold under the brand names Virgin, Fogale, Hum and Cleman. Virgin branded products include cold milling machines for road construction, hot recyclers and surface mining machines. The Fogale branded machines include slip form pavers from mini class to highway class. There are also special class and power feeders from the Fogale stable. Hum branded products include articulated tandem rollers, rubber wheeled rollers and different compactors. Cleman branded products include crushers and screens for professional rock and stone processing, mobile jaw crushers, mobile impact crushers and many more. Thus, John Deere today has a massive presence in India with products that cater to our farms and our roads. The journey henceforth is now going to be exciting for this group, and as Satish Nadikar, the company's bossman in India, says, this growth will be very significant.